Someone has been asking me, Max, is the Tesla alarm assistant still really weird? That is the experiment we're going to do today.
Okay, so we're going to do an experiment. And you said people have been asking you if the alarm system is really weird. Is that what you just said?
Yes.
Oh.
And
Who's been asking you?
my friends.
Oh, okay.
And remember, keys far away. Even further, and we're going to do it over there.
It's gone.
So really far. Not sure that far away. Not sure that far away. Right. Tap in. Wait, what should we do now? Tap in or walk around?
You would whatever you think will test the alarm. You're the alarm tester, man.
One. Let's see. And see if it will trigger by making me think it's dry, thinking it's trying to take the wheel off. No. Me trying to take the thingy off. Me trying to take the spoiler off. Nothing. Right. Walking around it time. Wait. I just walked around it then.
Yeah, you've already done that, so it's not triggering.
No.
Did the Sentry mode come on? Have a look inside.
Oh yes, it triggered. First time.
Yeah.
Right.
But it's not set the alarm off though, has it?
No. You just watching me. Right. Shaking time.
Not really.
Me thinking me and trying to pick the car up.
Don't think you can do that. Oh, nearly.
Ugh. Did it?
Oh, wow.
That is really so odd. Let's try the lock test. Locking the windows. Locking the bonnet.
No, still not set the alarm off.
Right. I'm going to have to climb on top of it.
Oh, that might set it off.
And maybe I'll just wax it.
Oh my god, you set it off. That's well loud. Go and get the key, get the key. So what did you do to stop it then? Oh, is that your Tesla key?
Yeah, and when I just did that, it just locked already. I just put the key there.
So what's the next test then, Max?
Cushion.
Cushion. Well, a cushion's soft, so I don't think that'll set it off, will it?
Well, I ordered a hard cushion.
Ooh,
And it
go
has a little hard rock, but a little soft hard rock.
Mm-hmm.
Ready? Ready? I'm trying to get on the really hard button.
Really hard straight away?
Yeah.
My ears, Max, my ears! Turn it off!
Oh my god!
Oh.
And now we're going to see if the Sentry cam footage will come up on the screen and see if it will record me.
So you're walking around.
Is Sentry mode actually on?
I don't think it will record that. But why don't you put your face in the camera
Ooh.
and see if it records that?
Making it think I'm trying to bite the camera. No. What about body roll? Right, that did not set the alarm off. We're going to hit it with the ball. Ready?
No, it didn't go off.
No, it didn't go off. Back shot, back shot.
No.
Another back shot.
No, that's not setting it off.
I think it needs to be a bit harder.
Oh, no. Oh, there it is. Oh, another one. Go on, get the key, get the key. Damn. Oh, that key's peaceful. Right. So, what do we know then?
The Tesla alarm is getting better. Right, for the end of the video, and I'll see you later. Happy alarm test. Don't forget to subscribe.